So you are wondering if this folding book lamp looks as good in person and is useful beyond being a decoration? So I'm going to show you. The brand sent this to me to make a video for you guys, showing how it works. When closed, it looks like a small black book with a golden floral print. Opening it automatically turns on the LED panels, and the flexible pages can be arranged anywhere from partially open to a full 360-degree display. It has 3 lighting options, including warm white, natural white, and yellow, which you can cycle through to suit different settings. People ask me a few questions about this lamp. First, is it bright enough to be useful? It works well as a bedside light, reading accent, or ambient lamp, but I would not expect a compact decorative light like this to replace your main room lighting. Second, can it be used as a night light? Yes, the warmer mode create a softer glow for a nightstand, and the 3 light levels let you choose how much illumination you want. Third, how long does the battery last? The listing rates is 1200 mAh rechargeable battery for approximately 4 to 6 hours. Actual runtime will depend on the brightness setting, battery condition, and how continuously it is used. Fourth, does it have an auto off feature? It automatically switches off when you close the book, but the listing does not mention a timer that turns it off after a set period. As a gift, the floral design and transforming effect make it more memorable than a basic lamp, especially for a reader or book lover. Overall, its value comes from combining decorative design, portability, ambient lighting, rather than delivering the brightness of a full-size lamp. I'll also leave the link in this video so you can take a closer look.